How to install Soholaunch from Fantastico.
This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application.
Now let's learn how to install Soholaunch. Click the Pro Edition link here. This is the Soholaunch installation screen. Soholaunch is a beginner-friendly and expert-flexible site builder. Includes an arsenal of cooperative tools to help you build twice the website in half the time.
Click the New Installation link here. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation.
That's it! Soholaunch has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it.
Click here to log into your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here.
This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install Soholaunch to your account from within Fantastico.